How to fix KB5072033 Get MPComputerStatus PowerShell command output empty in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, after installing the cumulative update KB5072033 on Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 and potentially on Windows Server 2025, Get MPComputerStatus PowerShell command may not work as expected. The output for this command is empty. Generally, when you run this command, the output is like this. But after installing the cumulative update for December 2025, the output is empty. Follow the steps to fix this issue. Launch the command prompt. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on the result, select run as administrator, go to the video description and copy this command. From there, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. The result would be reset platform returned successfully. Close the command prompt and try running get MpComputerStatus command in the PowerShell. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.